How to download TikTok videos. So what you want to do is go find your TikTok app and go ahead and find the video that you want to download. So it's important to know that not every video can be downloaded. That's something that's in the settings if users allow their videos to be downloaded or not. So what you can do, once you find the video, go to the arrow, and what we're going to do is that is basically the share button, and that's going to give you a lot of different options here. And so you want to go find the download button or the download option here, and like I said, some videos will not have it. So all you need to do is go ahead and hit download, and then you'll see the download bar at the very bottom, and it'll tell you when it's done. So I can come out of TikTok here and go to my galleries, and then you'll see the video here. And there we go. The video is now downloaded. It's in your gallery. You can't remove the watermark that's on the video, but you will be able to download that video and do what you